I had to leave. My dad is not gonna come with me when I go to Egypt. He can't come with us either, and I miss him a lot. I'm very sad. The start of the war was very hard because I was sick and we had to sleep. I couldn't sleep in my room. But then they told me to get out of Gaza, and I didn't want to leave Gaza.
كله 17 معدود.